top foods for healthy joints and strong cartilage. Welcome to Best Life, the channel that provides you with the best tips for healthy living. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is crucial for maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle: healthy joints and cartilage. Our joints play a vital role in our everyday movements, and taking care of them is essential for overall well-being. So, let's dive into what you can eat to promote healthy joints and cartilage. First and foremost, it's important to include plenty of omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for maintaining healthy joints. Foods rich in omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Next, make sure to incorporate plenty of antioxidants into your diet. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Foods high in antioxidants include berries, dark leafy greens, and colorful fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. Collagen is another essential component for healthy joints and cartilage. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the structure of your joints and can help improve joint flexibility. You can find collagen in bone broth as well as in foods like chicken, fish, and egg whites. In addition to collagen, make sure to include plenty of vitamin C in your diet. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen in the body and can help promote healthy joints. Foods high in vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers. Protein is also crucial for maintaining healthy joints and cartilage. Make sure to include lean sources of protein in your diet, such as chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes. Protein helps build and repair tissues in the body, including the cartilage in your joints. Let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Regularly eating omega-3 rich foods can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, making them a must for anyone dealing with arthritis or joint issues. Next, include collagen-boosting foods in your diet. Bone broth, chicken, and eggs are rich in the building blocks your body needs to produce collagen, which is essential for keeping cartilage strong and flexible. Collagen helps cushion your joints, reducing the risk of wear and tear. Vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries are also crucial for joint health. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen production, supporting cartilage repair and protecting joints from damage. Adding these colorful fruits and veggies to your diet can help keep your joints strong. Don't forget anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and ginger. These spices contain compounds that reduce inflammation in the body, which is especially helpful for those suffering from joint pain. Add them to your meals or make a soothing tea for added joint support. Next is calcium and vitamin D. Foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant-based milks provide the calcium needed for strong bones, while vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. Both are essential for keeping your joints and cartilage in top shape. Lastly, don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help keep your joints lubricated and functioning properly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding in hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery. In conclusion, a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, collagen, vitamin C, protein, and hydration is essential for promoting healthy joints and cartilage. By including these foods in your diet, you can help reduce inflammation, improve joint flexibility, and support overall joint health. Thank you for watching Best Life, the channel that provides you with the best tips for healthy living. Stay tuned for more videos on how to live your best life.